Bob Stevens Bush Cooking. Now today is a very special, non-anniversary 3rd episode special. And we are going to be making a quesadilla. Now, we have a first ingredient. A normal tortilla, where nothing is as it should not be. And our seasoning. Mayonnaise. True blue Aussie mayonnaise. Now you just want a little bit, like a little bit. You don't want to go too overboard with it if this thing will ever fucking open. You want a little bit, alright? So just like, yeah, a little bit. Maybe not enough, just a bit too much, yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. Now our next ingredient, dino nuggies. Flesh of the gods in dino form. Now, we could have used regular chicken, but I do feel like, and I feel like you all agree, this is much better. Let's crack it open, shall we? Fucking Bruce! Shit, I should have swallowed that little cunt. Ate all my nuggies. We'll put it on there. Squeeze it in. It'll defrost in the oven. Now, because Bruce, little fucking cunt, is eating all my nuggies, we'll have to use our backup flesh. Ham. Ham. Not our first choice, but it'll do. Now, ham is a tentative meat. Needs a bit of tenderising. And by that, I mean it needs to be beaten, and beaten hard. I've got a lot of experience at this, from beating my wife and kids. So, let's get to it. Now that we've beaten our meat and beaten it well, we have to apply it. Oh, spread that round. Spread it round with the mayo. Get it all nice and done up and mixed in. Fuck. Oh, God. Oh, it's fucking tearing. I don't get paid enough for this shit. Yeah, right. That looks good enough. Now on for the cheese. Our final ingredient, cheese. And as we always say in the kitchen, you gotta have a bit of fun. This is what I like to call the fastball special. Now, we did miss there, but we gotta get a little bit on. So we're just gonna grab some of this, throw it back on. That looks just about right. Now I'm looking at this. Beating stick in here. Now I'm looking at this. It looks a bit bland. Looks a bit flavourless. You know what we need? More seasoning. More mayo. Fucking get over this fucking bullshit. There we go. Perfect. Now, let's close her up. Yes. Fan-fucking-tastic. We'll cut right back after we've gone to the oven. We forgot our final ingredient. Twiggy sticks. Perfect. Perfect. Get in there, get in there. Now, absolutely perfect. Now that we've gotten that, we have to reseal it. Band-Aid. Not just any Band-Aid, frozen Band-Aid. Get that off. Gordon Ramsay would be proud of this one. True blue secret. Fantastic. Now, it's good for the oven. That should be done by now. Let's crack her open. Oh, beautiful golden brown. Let's get her on the bench here. Fan-fucking-tastic. Now that is a good quesadilla. Get a knife here to cut it in two. If you get a little bit of the tin foil in it, don't worry. It's extra protein. Look at that. Absolutely magical. Thank you for joining me for this week's Bob Stevens Bush Cooking. And we'll see you all next time. Not enough fucking mayo.